Well, it was a very wet close to our summer season in the Northern Valley particularly, and it has been a brutal start to the fall season. Here's a photo from the Fisher, Minnesota area. This gentleman standing in a sugar beet cart track, a lot of mud out there, and problems are going to be persistent. And in the Northern Valley, they'll persist for longer. Oslo, for this time of the year, it's kind of unprecedented to see river levels this high in the major flood stage. A lot of areas hitting the moderate flood stage all the way up and down the Red River Valley. For Fargo, our rivers are high, but they're starting to top off, level off, and will continue to recede as we go through the next few days while they rise up north. 39 right now in Fargo-Moorhead, 37 Grand Forks, and 35 in Devil's Lake, the current temperatures. So we're cooling off fairly quickly, and we have a lot of mid and upper 30s across central and northwest Minnesota. Here's a look at the satellite. A lot of cloud cover still out over the valley, but the rain showers that moved through earlier, dumping between a few 1/100ths of an inch of rain to a couple tenths of an inch of rain, now moving well off to the east. For us, as we head to bed tonight, temperatures will fall, but the clouds will linger for most, particularly from the Red River Valley and points off to the east. Could see a few breaks in our western counties, and a few of you with the deep snow on the ground will have a shot at dipping down into the 20s tonight. There could be some areas of patchy haze and fog to start your Wednesday morning as well. As we go through the day, we'll have some warmer air trying to punch in from the west. That's going to kick up a few clouds out there. Can't rule out a sprinkle here or there from those clouds, but finally, on a Wednesday of improving weather, by late in the day, the clouds will begin to break, and that spreads into parts of western Minnesota by the late day. So in Fargo-Moorhead, more clouds and clear skies for the first 3/4 of the day. Temperatures slowly climbing from 35 in the morning to low to mid 40s in the afternoon. We'll have a lot less wind, and the wind will eventually become more southerly as we go through the afternoon. And that's a sign of change, and it does look like we'll have a chance at seeing those clouds break up here in the Red River Valley as we approach the setting of the sun. 39 your afternoon temperature on your way home from work in Langdon, 41 Valley City, and a lot of 40s across western Minnesota. So not a hot day, but we're turning a corner, and this is what we're expecting. Some of these nice warm colors returning to the region in the air mass battlecast, and we're hoping this warm air mass wins out. Looks like it starts at least trying to return to the valley as we go through the late week and into the weekend. It lingers around. We'll be melting a lot of snow, mind you, but temperatures and the skies will be much more conducive to some sunny and dry weather. Seasons confused here. Beautiful fall colors mixed with the white Lori, capturing and uploading that photo from Maplewood State Park. Just absolutely stunning views there. Thursday, we warm up to 55 in Fargo. Now remember, not as warm where we have deeper snow on the ground. Friday, how about 62 degrees? It'll be breezy out there, Mike, but that don't bother Hutch. I'll be out there trying to get a little bit of sun. The weekend looks pretty good until late on Sunday when our next weather maker moves through.
I don't remember you ever showing the air mass battlecast, and warm air was a part of it.
Yes, and it is now. We're watching it.
Okay, thanks. Yes.